somebody's found the Queen Zenobia. You haven't changed a bit.
Satellite targeting.
The time has come, Brian.
Authorization.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here.
It's like all my worst enemies come back to haunt me.
Let the heavens scorch the earth with justice.
These unilateral solutions of yours will only create a new Veltro, perhaps a dozen of them.
Yes, there's the rub. Men like us can exist thanks to groups like that. Immediate containment is imperative. Far too much is at stake here. You are blinded. A humanist with no cause. It's a lost cause, Director O'Brien.
Feel free to cut the bullshit, Morgan. You're playing with fire again. But this time, you will get burned.
Loose ends can only exacerbate the situation. Think twice, Director, or you may regret it.
Ah, boy, you never disappoint, Morgan. But once we have the truth, your mistakes will never be repeated.
Parker!
Yeah, time to clear out.
This is Chris. You two all right?
Chris! Yes, we're fine. But the ship is sinking fast.
We're approaching the Queen Zenobia now. Rendezvous at the ship's hull.
Roger. We'll be waiting.
Okay, see you soon. Chris out.
What are you looking for? We're supposed to meet in the hall, remember?
Hear that? There.
Walkthru! You almost missed the party.
We're approaching the Queen Zenobia now. Rendezvous at the ship's hull.
Roger. We'll be waiting.
Okay, see you soon. Chris out. That's it. Queen Zenobia.
Oh, jeez. More like what's left of her.
Stay sharp. There's something out there.
Satellite's laser fried out all the electronics.
Yeah, it's worse than a blackout. How many of these things are there?
Your aim's sharp. They're not letting up. Going around. Hang on.
good spot to board the Zenobia. We can board from here. Jessica, we have a promise to keep. Let's go.
Great. A cruise, just the two of us. Only the whole thing is sinking.
Friendly BSAA patrons, you stopped the Regia Solis. Now I will reveal what I know. Everything about the Queen Zenobia and the secrets she keeps.
What secrets?
Consider this. First, why did it take till now to find the Queen Zenobia? How was it able to float around the Mediterranean undetected? It wasn't magic. Second, why did all traces of Veltro vanish after the Terra Grigia panic?
Why don't you tell us, huh?
And third, why is someone trying to use the Regia Solis to destroy the Zenobia? The answer to those questions will lead you to an inconvenient truth. You were to have found it, and that...
Jessica, why did you fire?
To protect our people. Isn't that our job?
Don't you dare die! Damn. Raymond? What? Why? Why play the part of Veltro? What do you mean?
Find the truth about Terra Grigia.
What a terrible loss.
The ship doesn't have much longer. We can't let this virus contaminate the sea.
We've already searched the Queen Semiramis. So I think I know where this ship's lab is. We're headed there now.
All right. I'll try to find a way to delay the sinking. Jessica, you with me?
Yeah.
Where? A little friendly partner swapping should keep us on our toes.
Roger that. We'll take care of the virus. You two buy us some time.
Got it.
Jill, this works anywhere, even underwater. It should slow those things down.
Thanks, Chris.
Also, I've marked off all the possible locations for the lab.
He never got the hint. What a drag.
Maybe he's already taken, Jessica.
So this was all Raymond's doing?
No. We've only heard half the story. There's a lot about this mission that doesn't make sense yet.
Hurry! We can cut through the bilge to get to the lab.
Careful. The water is infested with infected.
Roger that. lab's just up ahead. Jill, try using this. I found that key on the Semiramis. The ships are exactly the same, and the lab should be this way.
Registering fingerprint. Fingerprint registration complete. Please enter the sterilization room one at a time. Now sterilizing. Please wait.
What the? Jill!
Emergency! Emergency!
Why try to hide these facilities on a cruise ship?
It makes a good cover for whatever's suspected.
Good point. I hope we can find out what the hell's going on.
Virus is somewhere in this research area.
So this is the secret of Zenobia.
Previously on Resident Evil Revelations. Wow. Whoa, it's amazing. What the?
So what the hell did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Don't tell me the battery's dead. Oh, this blows.
The upside is this whole conspiracy's becoming clearer. We have to get back to the airport on the double.
Hey, man, hold up. Nobody's home. Even the other teams packed it in. So what are we doing here?
It's okay. I set up a back door. I can use any PDA to get us in.
Well, why didn't you say that earlier?
If my theory is correct, then the truth about Walkthru is really too early to say.
Are you kidding me?
I don't want to jump to conclusions. I need more intel.
All right, let's find that computer.
There's an area we haven't explored over here. My only hope is that it has a high-powered CPU. That would be tits.
It's a BOW. I knew Walkthru was the call.
They haven't been the whole time.
What? Who cares? Just shoot, goddammit!
There's someone they didn't want around if Walkthru came back. So they had to shake this up. No, now's not the time for conspiracy theories. Is that a real in-the-flesh MB-28? Grinder, it's what I always wanted!
You take to gadgets like a fly to horse shit. It's just a computer.
Okay, down to brass tacks. What the hell? Nothing's happening.
What did you do, Quint?
It's not me. I need more power. The MB-28's a real gas guzzler. There's gotta be a generator around here. I need it.
Okay. You stay here and spend quality time with your girlfriend. Here we go. I hope this rusty piece of crap works.
There's not enough power to fully charge the MB-28. Are there any other generators? All right, full power. Initiate analysis.
So you get anything?
No, I gotta get through the layers of encryption on this thing first. But that should only take a few minutes for me and my baby MB-28. Finder!
I'm on it. Leave these guys to me. After us the whole time.
I don't think the FTC likes my unauthorized access.
The FBC? What are you talking about?
Hacking into their servers. Found them by chance when we investigated the crash. This attack proves they're involved. I'm telling the truth here. You gotta give me time to explore the product.
How much longer?
Let's see, only, 28% finished.
Your girlfriend is the slowest. You know that, Quint?
There's more over here.
What now?
The buffering is dropping like a stone. I think one of the Jennies is out.
This... Quint, did that do it? You good now?
Yeah, all good. We're 54%.
Okay, we're in it to win it now. Thanks for the report, Captain Obvious.
They must have been alerted when I tried to hack my way in. You gotta hold them off.
I will, but you're gonna owe me big time. How much longer? You don't know how much this blows!
Just at 80%, almost there. monster! Watch out! Be careful!
Shit, this is enough to make a grown man cry. In the bottle until I come back.
Okay, I think it's safe to have a look at this data now. Ready?
Hold your horses. I'll be there in a sec.
Right. That explains it.
Explains what? Who's behind Walkthru?
Yeah, probably. There's only one way to find out. Let's ask him ourselves.
This is Forkball. O'Brien here.
Huh? What the hell? O'Brien's our man?
Director O'Brien. I think I put it all together. Walkthru was never back in action. It was all smoke and mirrors, orchestrated by yourself. Your own little Walkthru production, all to get into the head of one certain somebody.
You pretty much got it. I'm glad I'm not paying you for nothing.
I analyzed his log, sir, and there's something you may want to see.
Then let me see it.
Yes, sir. I'll send it immediately. What's going on? Connection error? Oh, we've been detected! Hey, quit! Two boys, uncovering secrets, wanted dead or alive, just like a falcon and a snowman! You wanna die with your machines, idiot? Dude! Hold up! I'm on!
Quinn! Keith! What a disaster.
That's the virus.
We need to stop the virus from getting out.
I know. The control system must be in the lab.
Chris!
lab's control system.
Does it work?
We need a passcode to activate the neutralizing agent.
Okay, I'll sweep the lab, see what I can find.
Good. Need some time to figure out these controls. I cracked the code on the door. Opening it now. Careful in there.
Will do. You can count on it.
Told you to be careful. Who knows what kind of BOWs we're up against.
Chris, you're not gonna believe what I just learned. Morgan Lansdale of the FBC was behind the attacks on Terra Grigia.
So that's what Raymond was talking about.
Seems like it. All I have is circumstantial evidence. Nothing to nail him for it yet.
Downloading data. Please wait. Download complete.
Jill! Jill, come in. Do you read me? Answer me, damn it! This is an emergency. Get back here now!
Downloading data. Please wait. Download complete.
Jill! Jill, come in. Do you read me? Answer me, damn it! This is an emergency. Get back here now!
Jill, you okay?
Yeah, for now.
Jill,
I got the passcode.
good work. Now let's neutralize that virus.
Authorization confirmed. Initiating virus neutralization program.
Well done, BSAA. Your activities have been eye-opening.
Morgan Lansdale.
I knew O'Brien and his dog Raymond were sniffing around my business. I didn't account for your involvement, however. That was my only mistake.
So it was you. You attacked Terra Grigia.
Jill, look out.
It looks like my mistake turned to you. You were so close to go to Queen Zenobia. I hope you don't mind.
Jill,
I got the passcode.
good work. Now let's neutralize that virus.
Authorization confirmed. Initiating virus neutralization program.
Well done, BSAA. Your activities have been eye-opening.
Morgan Lansdale.
I knew O'Brien and his dog Rain were sniffing around my business. I didn't account for your involvement, however. That was my own mistake.
So it was you. You attacked Terra Grigia.
Jill, look out!
It looks like my mistakes are going to be that. You were stolen in support of Queen Zenobia. I hope you don't mind.
Virus neutralization complete.
I should have expected something from the duo who brought down Umbrella. However, your days as playing cops and robbers are over.
I do hope you understand the gravity of my making a personal appearance. I have a great weakness. I am fearful of things. Even little things, and must clean up every last imperfection. The BSAA, my dear Director O'Brien, your whole organization, you cause nothing but trouble. Surely you didn't expect me to just let you snoop around unbridled. Don't kid yourselves. Have a look. Your destiny is in my hands.
What the?
The Queen Zenobia.